Hi there, we are at one of the thrift shops here in Naga City. Actually, this particular surplus shop used to be in another location, but tonight I found it here. So let's, try to check if we can find something interesting. So according to the proprietress, they are now selling UK. They are now selling UK surplus, but there will be items coming from Japan as well in the coming days. So as expected, we see cups, cutleries, things that we usually find in the UK. So interesting stuff. There, let me just walk around the place. Yeah, this one is cool. A flask, alcohol flask, really cute and nice. I actually never owned an alcohol flask before. Here's another flask that caught my attention. Really cute. Just have to be careful lest we drop it, because of course they will consider it sold. Now, according to the proprietress, some Japan surplus items will arrive in the coming days. Really nice stuff. UK surplus. As you know, I also like to look at the utensils. Actually, it's the first time for me to actually vlog about my blade hunt, etc. Really nice utensils, cute ones for coffee. There's another one there. I also try to look for utensils that are actually issued by airline companies, because I find them really cute, interesting. This one is also cute. Now, is that what I think it is? Wow, it's actually a folding knife. I just don't know what's the brand, or just to know what's the make of this particular knife. Yeah, it's indeed a folding knife, and well, I can just work on this so I could clean it up and make it look better. What do you read? The brand is foreign. Is that foreign? I'm not sure, but yeah, maybe I'm gonna get this. The tip is dented, but nothing we can't fix. Yeah, nice. Alright, Jason here for the Hagbayon Channel and PMS Stocks. Actually, the shop is located here in Naga City along Gualdad Street. So you can see pure gold on the other side. So that's Gualdad. There, and that's actually the Naga City Public Market. Alright, Jason here for the Hagbayon Channel and TMS Talks. Thanks for watching. Remember, the pen is mightier with the sword. God bless you.